Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. So on today's video I'm gonna show you how you can blend text into your photo and make it appear behind the object or person by using the EPIK apps. So here you just need to add a photo first, then go to text and add your text in here. Like this, and then you can also change the font into your favorite one. Okay, for example like this, then you can just put it in here, for example, and then go to blend and then choose overlay like this. And what you need to do is just erase the part that the text overlap with the object in the photo, and in here you can just brush it off like this to make the part that overlay with the person removed, like so. Click on a check icon and now you are done. Here is the before and here is the after. Okay, so that's all for me. If you got any question, feel free to drop them in a comment, and if the video is helpful, remember to click like, thanks, and also subscribe. Bye bye.